Okay. So you can put right now the roll numbers for the attendance. Okay. So those who put previously, again you have to put it. Okay. So good morning to all of you. So in this lecture, we have to learn how to draw planes and directions. Okay. So for that, I am drawing this cubic structure. Okay. Okay, so this is a cubic structure. In cubic structure, A is equal to B is equal to C and alpha, beta, gamma is equal to 90 degree. That structure is called as what? That structure is called as what? Cubic structure. Okay, so in this cubic structure, you have to draw the different planes. Okay, so we take the origin also. So here we take, so this is the what? This point is what? Origin. Okay, so this is the what? Origin. Okay, so in previous lecture we learned how to draw plane, this 100. Okay, so always the planes are inserted in what? Parenthesis. Okay, so planes are always inserted in what? This parenthesis. So these brackets are called as what? Parenthesis. Okay, and while writing this Miller indices, don't put the comma between these two numbers. Okay, so you have to read this as what? 100, plane 100. So you, if the this parenthesis brackets are there, that means you have to draw the what? Planes. Okay, plane 100, like that. Okay, don't read as a what? Plane 100. This is wrong. Okay, you have to speak like plane 100. Okay, so if the parenthesis brackets are there, that means you have to draw the what? Plane. Okay, and set of planes are inserted in what? Set of planes inserted in this curly brackets. Okay, so set of planes means what? It contains different planes. So this, for this cubic structure, they are having what? 6 sides. Okay, so 100 you can write as what? Again in this 010, 001, then negative bar 100, 0 bar 10, 00 bar 1, like that. Okay, so all these set of planes are inserted in what? These curly brackets. Okay, so these curly brackets, the set of planes are inserted in what? These curly brackets. Okay, so this you have to remember. Okay, so we learn this one coordinate system drawing the plane 100. So where is 100? So this entire face. This entire face is what? 100 plane. Okay, then 010 plane is what? This one. 0. So again I am showing to you with some lines. Okay. Okay, so this is what? This plane is what? So 100. So 1 is what? In x direction. 0 is y direction. Z is what? Z direction. This is the intercept. So we consider this point as what? One intercept. Okay, y is 0, z is 0. Okay, so we consider only that front plane in the what? X direction. Okay, so that is what? 100. Okay, so with the help of hatch lines, you have to indicate this what? 100 plane. Okay, so this is what? 100 plane. Okay, so with the help of this hatch line, you have to indicate the what? This planes. Okay. Okay, then how you draw this plane 010? So same way, 0 1 then 0. Okay, so x is what? 0, then y is what? 1. So y intercept is 1. This 1 point is here, and z is 0. So which plane is there? So this side. Okay, so this side plane we consider for this what? This 010 plane. So for this 010 plane, we consider this what? So x is 0, y intercept is what? 1, and z is 0. So this entire plane. Okay, so this particular entire plane is what? 0 1 0 plane. Okay, so this is what 0 1 0 plane. Okay, so this entire plane is what 0 1 0 plane. Okay, so then we draw the plane 0 0 1. Okay, so how you draw this plane 0 0 1, plane 0 0 1. Okay, so how you draw this plane 0 0 1. So what, x is 0, then this y is 0, then z is also, z is what, 1, z is 1. So x is 0, y is 0, z is 1. So this point we consider, and that's why this what top plane is there. Okay, so this top plane is what 0 0 1. Top plane is what 0 0 1. So these hash lines you have to mark. Okay, so this plane is what 0 0 1 plane. So this top plane is what 0 0 1 plane. Okay, then if the negative sign is there, so how you indicate this plane bar 1 0 0. So another for this is what 0 0 1. So anybody having any doubt in this, how to draw 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 1? Anybody having any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Then we learn.
No, sir.
Okay, okay, so we have to draw the plane bar 1 0 0. Okay, so how to draw this plane bar 1? So bar 1, how to write bar 1? So bar 1 is nothing but what, -1. So for that, just okay, so this is what bar 1 0 0 plane. Okay, so -1 is there. Okay, so minus is indicated by what, bar symbol. So bar 1 0 0. Hello. Okay. So do this internet connectivity is, just a minute. Okay, so we learn how to draw bar 1 0 0. Okay, so we take the two equal squares for drawing this what, cubic structure. You have to take two equal squares. Okay, and that you have to join with the what, of lines. Then indicate the axis. So this is x-axis. Okay, this is y-axis, and this is z-axis. Okay, so this is x-axis, this is y-axis, and this is z-axis. Okay, and this one is the what, origin. This point is what, origin. So you have to indicate, always indicate the what, origin. So we have to draw what, this. Okay, so we have to draw the plane bar 1 0 0. Okay, so when there is a negative, You have to draw the plane bar 1 0 0. So bar 1 is what? Negative. So while drawing this bar 1 0 0 in same cube, you have to make the one trick. Okay, so in which direction there is a negative sign is there, in that direction you have to shift the origin. Okay, so in which direction negative sign is there? X direction. Okay, so in X direction negative sign is there, so we have to shift the origin in what? So original origin is what? Here at this point. Okay, so as there is a negative sign in what? X direction, we have to shift this origin in what? X direction. Okay, so this is not our origin, so our new origin is what? At this particular point. Okay, so this point is what? Our new origin. Okay, this is what? Origin. Oh, okay, so this point is considered as what? New origin. Okay, because their negative sign is there in what? X direction. Okay, then you have to indicate the what? So from this point you have to indicate the what? Axis. So this is what? X axis. Then this is what? Y axis. So you have to change the axis. So this is what? Y, and this is what? Z. This is what? This is what? Z axis. So when you change the origin, the axis also gets changed in that particular in the direction of origin. Okay, then how you draw this plane bar 1 0 0? So on this side, this is what? Origin. So on this side, this is positive sign is there. On this side, negative sign is there. Okay, same way on this right side, positive sign is there. On left side, negative sign is there. Same way in Z axis, the top side is what? Positive, and bottom side is what? Negative. Okay, so we have to indicate what? Bar 1 0 0. So bar 1 is what? Negative. So positive x-axis is what? This side. Negative x-axis point, bar 1 is what? This point. Okay, so bar 1 is indicated by what? This particular point. Okay, so this point is what? Bar 1. Okay, bar 1 point. Then 0 is there. So y is 0. Z is also 0. So which plane is what? Bar 1 0 0. So the plane, this plane. So this entire plane is what? Bar 1 0 0. Backside plane. It is what? Bar 1 0 0. Okay, so anybody having any doubt in this? So while there is a negative sign is there, what trick you have to use? In which direction negative intercept is there, in that direction you have to shift your origin. Okay, suppose you have to draw 0 bar 1 0. So how you draw this? 0 bar 1 0. How you draw this? 0 bar 1 0.
Left side face.
How you draw this? What? 0, then bar 1 and 0. Yes. So in that case, in which direction you have to shift the origin? 0 bar 1 0. In which direction you are shifting the origin?
Y direction.
Y direction. Our original origin is here. So in Y direction you are shifting the origin. Okay. So for that, okay. So origin is what? In this this point. At this point the origin is there. Okay. So origin is what? At this point. Okay, this is what? Origin point. This point is what? Origin point. So from that you have to again indicate the what? Axis. Okay, so from that you have to indicate the axis. So this one is what? X axis. This one is Y axis, and this one is Z axis. So remember that from origin you have to draw the axis. Okay, so this axis is not okay. So this one is X axis, this one is Y axis, and this one is Z axis. Okay, then how you draw 0 bar 1 0? So X is what? 0. Y is what? Bar 1. So from 0 to this side positive signs are there. 0 to this opposite side negative sign is there. So what is the point? This one. So this point is what? Bar 1. Okay, and Z is 0. So you have to draw parallel toward this particular X axis. Okay, so what is 0 bar 1 0? So this entire plane 0 bar 1 0. So this side plane is what? This 0 bar 1 0. Okay, 0 bar 1 0. So for this you have to indicate the axis x, y and z, indicate the origin. So indication of origin is very important while drawing the planes and direction. Okay, same way for 0 0 bar 1. So 0 0 bar 1 is what? You have to shift the origin in what? Z direction. So bottom plane is what? 0 0 bar 1. Okay, anybody having any
One.
how to draw the negative signs plane?
Sir.
Any doubt? Anybody having any
No,
doubt?
sir.
No.
Okay, then we see the two
No,
coordinate
sir.
system. Okay, okay. So how to draw the plane 1 1 0? So how to draw this plane 1 1 0? Plane 1 1 then 0. So how to draw this plane? So origin is here, x direction is there, y direction and z direction. So one in x direction is what? 1 point. So this one point is there. So this is what? 1 point. Okay, this is what? Another 1 point. So in y direction is also what? 1 is there. Okay, and z direction is what? 0. Okay, so you have to join these 2 points. Okay, so you have to join this what? 2 points with this line. Okay, and same line you have to draw parallel in opposite plane. So what is the opposite plane of this bottom plane? Top plane. So same line you have to draw parallel in opposite plane. Okay, so this entire plane means what? It contains 4 sides. So this entire plane is what? 1 1 0. Okay, so this entire plane is what? 1 1 0. Okay, and that you have to indicate with what? Hatch lines. Okay, so this plane is what? 1 1 0. So we have to draw it neatly, these hatch lines. Okay, so this is what? Plane 1 0 1 1 0. Okay, anybody having any doubt in this? How to draw 1 1 0? Any doubt? Then how to draw the
No,
plane
sir.
1 0 1? How to draw the plane 1 0 1? Okay, so 1 0 1. Okay, how to draw the plane 1 0 1? So how do you draw this plane 1 0 1? So first you have to indicate points. Okay, so x direction 1 is there. Okay, then y direction is what? Y direction is what? 0. Z direction is what? 1. So this 1 point is okay. Join these 2 points with line. Okay, so these 2 points you have to join. Okay, and same line you have to draw parallel in opposite plane. So opposite plane is this one. So same line you have to draw in what? Opposite plane. Okay, so this entire plane is nothing but what? Plane 1 0 1. Okay, so this entire plane is what? 1 0 1. Then indicate with what? Hatch lines. Okay, so any doubt in this? How to draw this plane 1 0 1?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, 1 0 1. Then how you draw 0 1 1? How you draw the plane 0 1 1? Okay, okay, how to draw the plane 0 1 1 0 1 1? So how you draw this plane 0 1 1? So first we indicate the points. Okay, so x is what? 0, y is what? 1. So this is what? 1. Then z is also 1. Z is also 1. Indicate with what? These 2 points with line. Okay, so in this way you have to join. Okay, then draw the same line parallel in what? Opposite plane. Okay, this is the opposite plane. Okay, draw it parallelly. Okay, so this entire plane is nothing but what? 0 1 1 plane. This entire plane is what? 0 1 1. Indicate with what? Hatch lines. Okay, so any doubt in this, how to draw these planes? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, then how you draw the plane bar 1 1 0? How you draw the plane bar 1 1 0? Okay, bar 1 1 0. How you draw this plane bar 1 1 0? Bar 1 then 1 0. Okay, so how you draw this plane bar 1 1 0? Yes, so what is the trick you have to use while drawing this plane bar 1 1 0? Yes, what is the trick you, in which direction you have to shift?
X direction.
X direction. So where is the origin? So as there is a negative sign in what? X direction. Okay, so here is our origin. So you have to shift the origin. Okay, so origin is what? Here. So this is what our origin point. Okay, so indicate with what? Text. So indication of origin is very important. Okay, so this is what our origin, and from that origin you have to indicate the axis. So this is what? X axis. Then same way indicate the what? Y axis. Okay, so this is what? Y axis, and this is what? Z. This is what? Z axis. Okay, so this is X, Y, and Z axis. Okay, so after indicating the origin you have to indicate the axis itself. Okay, then you have to indicate the other points. Okay, so here is our origin. This is what our origin. Okay, so how to indicate bar 1 1 0? So bar 1 how you indicate? So X axis bar 1, so X minus 1 is there. So positive is what? On this side, negative is on this side. So where is the bar 1 point? So bar 1 point is here. This is what? Bar 1 point. Okay, then indicate what? Bar 1 1 0. Y is what? 1. So this is what? 1, and Z is what? 0. Okay, then join with the what? Line. Okay, so you have to draw the line. Okay, same line you have to draw in opposite plane, parallel in opposite plane. Okay, so this entire plane is what? Your bar 1 1 0. So indicate with what? Hatch mark. Okay, so this entire plane is what? Bar 1 1 0. Okay, bar 1 1 0. Okay, so do you understand in which direction the intercept is negative? In that direction you have to shift the origin. Okay, then how you indicate this
Yes.
bar 1? Yes, how you 1 0 bar 1? So how you indicate this 1 0 bar 1? In which direction you are shifting the origin?
Shift.
1 0 bar 1. Okay, so for that
Direction.
in Z direction. Okay, we are making what? 1 0 bar 1 na? Yes, so for simplicity writing it as what? Minus 1. Okay, 1 0 minus 1. Minus 1 nothing but what? Bar 1. So in which direction you have to shift the origin? Which direction? In which
Z.
direction shifting the origin? Z direction. Okay,
Z.
origin is what? Here. So in Z direction, we are shifting the origin. So our origin is what here. Okay, indicate with what text. So here is what our origin. Okay, and from that origin, you have to indicate the axis. That you must remember. From origin, you have to indicate the axis. So this is what our x-axis. Okay, this is what our y-axis, and this is what our z-axis. This is what z-axis. Okay, so this is what x, this is y, and this is z-axis. So x is what 1. So indicate with what points. Okay, so x is what 1. So 1 point is what here is what 1 point. 1 point. Okay, then y is what, this y direction is what 0. Z is what -1. So from this origin, z is here positive on this top side, and bottom side is what your negative. So negative point is what here, -1 is what here. Okay, so join these 2 points with the what line. Okay, so with the help of line, you have to join these 2 points. Okay, then same line you have to draw parallel in what opposite plane. Okay, so this entire plane is what nothing but 1 0 bar 1. So indicate with what hatch marks. Indicate with hatch mark. Okay, so this is what 1 0 bar 1 plane. Okay, any doubt in this? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay,
No.
then we go for 3 coordinate system. Then we write for 3 coordinate system. Okay, so we have to draw the plane 1 1 1. So how you draw the plane 1 1 1? Plane 1 1 1. Okay, so this is 3 coordinate system. So indicate the what, this what origin is what our origin is at this point. Okay, then indicate the axis. Okay, so this is our x-axis. Okay, y-axis, this is z-axis. Okay, so this is our x, this is y, and this is z. Then indicate the points 1 1 1. So x y in x direction it is what 1. So this is what 1 point. Then y direction again 1. Okay, and z direction is what again 1. Okay, so join these points with what line. Okay, so with the help of line you can join this. So it is nothing but what triangle. Sorry for this interruption because of this low internet connectivity. So do you understand that how to draw the plane 1 1 1? Anybody having any doubt? To draw the plane 1 1 1. So it is what nothing but triangle. but what? Triangle. Okay. So again, I am requesting you your attendance, because when the interruption is there, all other previous charts be deleted. Okay. So again, I request you, please put your attendance or roll numbers in what chat section. So
Sir,
let's,
please repeat 111 plane.
yes,
How do
again
I-
I'm repeating. So it is 111. So where is our origin? So this point is what our origin. Okay. Then axis, we have to indicate the axis. This is what our x-axis. This is y-axis, and this is what our z-axis. Okay. Then indicate with the points 1, 1, 1. Okay. So x direction is what? 1 point. Then this y is also 1 and z is also 1 is there. Join these 3 points with what? Line. Okay. So this is, so to join these 3 lines. So this is what? 1, 1, 1, and indicate with what? Hatch line. So this is what? Plane 1, 1, 1. Okay. This triangle 3 coordinate system. Okay. So this is what? Plane 1, 1, 1. Okay. So same way, if the plane bar 1, 1, 1 is there, bar 1, 1, 1. So you have to shift this origin in what? Bar 1 means what? X direction. So here is what? Your origin, and bar 1 is what? Here. Okay. Then y is what? 1 here, and z is here. So this is what? This like this triangle is there. Okay. So same way, you have to shift the origin. Same principle you have to use when there is a negative sign is there. Bar 1, 1, 1, or 1 bar 1, 1, or 1, 1 bar 1, like that. Okay. So anybody have any doubt in this? How to draw 1, 1, 1? Anybody having any doubt? How to draw this 1, 1, 1? Any doubt? Okay. Then how to draw the plane? This 210. How to draw the plane 210? So how to draw the plane 210? So here you have to take the what? Reciprocal of 2. So reciprocal of 2 is what? Half. Half 1 and 0. Half 1 and infinity. 1 by 0 is what? Infinity. So infinity is not considered. Okay. So how you draw this plane 210? So this is what? X, this is y, and this is z direction. Okay. Then indicate with point. So 2 is what? Half. So half distance you have to indicate in what? X direction. So this is what? Near about half distance is there. Just, so this is what? Half distance. Okay. Then y is what? 1. Okay. And z is 0. Okay. So then join these 2 points with line. Okay. Join these 2 points with line. Okay. And same line you have